Yeah, here we have a 7" by 10" horizontal bandsaw. This has a swivel base on it. Just going to show you that real quick. Just pull this knob out there and base swivels. We have it powered up so you can watch it run in any case. This 3-speed geared head, 1 horsepower, 220 volt. You can actually shift the gears on the fly here. Has a hydraulic down feed, and all you do is flip that over, and as the head comes down, it shuts the machine off. It is missing some components, just this minor stuff. Here's a chute right here for your chips. Well, that's missing. There's a filter right here that's missing, and it's missing the entire base and the rear axle and wheels. Other than that, it's in really good condition. Operates very nicely electrically and mechanically.